name is this. So first of all, if you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. And let's start now. So the aim is in this task you need to prepare a DevOps team of Avengers, create three IAM users of Avengers and assign them to DevOps groups with the IAM policy. Uh, Here I mentioned Avengers because it will be somewhat interesting for you all to like creating an IAM group. So this is the task. Now we need to do this task. We just need to create three IAM users and attach them the DevOps groups with IAM policies. Like whatever you want. These things you need to have hands-on too. For that purpose, you can practice this on your own. So then only you will get a better understanding of how things works. But only by viewing, you cannot be getting that much of knowledge. Only when you practice, then you will be able to answer in the interview session, in the interviews more. So that will be the practical knowledge will help you more in the interviews instead of this. So only listening to this will not be sufficient. You need to practice more to get better understanding. So creating IAM group, you can practice on your own. You can take this example and create on your own on your EC2 instance, which you might have created a free account on the AWS. Okay, so let's start now. Create a group with the name Avengers. And first step will be this in the IAM console and provide the permission policies you want to group to have access. First of all, login. First of all, after login, go to the IAM service console page. There, click on the create group. So here you can see we are creating this group. I have already created this group like Avengers, which will be having this Amazon EC2 full access, Amazon S3 full access, administrator access. So all of these policies are attached to this group, which is called Avengers. So if you want to add more policies, then you can add on your wish like any other access, any other policy too. So like that, create a user group, so which we will be tagging when we are creating the users. So once Avengers group is created with the appropriate policies, then we are moving to the next step, which is creating users requiring access through IAM. So for this, after going to the console page, click on create user. So from there you can create these users like Hulk, so Iron Man and Thor. So these are the users which have created. So you can just simply create like this and attach the groups you want. Uh, so like this, you can add the users inside the group itself. So you can not only Avengers, you can take any name of your wish or anything of your wish, and you can just simply try creating this IAM users. Then adding those users to the created Avengers group. So adding those users to the to this created Avengers groups. Just go to that group and add the users by clicking on here. So then you can add them, and whatever the policies are there inside that group are get will get applied to these users also. So those policies will be this. So Amazon EC2 full access and S3 full access, then administrator access. All of these policies will get attached to all of these users, since these users got added to this Avengers group, which is having the policies this. Okay, so that's how creating an IAM group and creating users and attaching that users to the created Avengers group in case of here or any other group which you might create. So that's how we add those users to the created group. So that's how it works. Um, what I will say in the end is the more you practice, the more you gain the knowledge. So it's better to practice more than just by watching like this. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching until the end. And if you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link, which I will be keeping in the description box. Thank you.